guys, so today I'm going to be showing you gifts that I received or literally got myself this year for Christmas. I have my little kitty box cutter to open these things, so we're gonna just start it off. So the first thing, literally I got this, and it's a Hello Kitty doodle tumbler, one set with a surprise gift bag inside. So I literally bought this mostly for the little gift bag or whatever it says that it has, because I just want to open it. Okay. So the cup is so cute. Look at this. Oh my goodness. She's so... It's like it's made out of plastic though. And I guess you can doodle on it. It says surprise gift like in here. So I'm gonna take that out because that's literally all I wanted. Mostly, I just wanted to know what it was. And it comes with little gem stickers and Hello Kitty pen markers, which I'm not going to do it right now, but I do want to decorate this at one point. I kind of was thinking of doing like an IR stream eventually. I think that would be very much fun. And so we're going to open this little surprise gift. It isn't, you can literally rip it open. Oh my god, okay, so inside it's literally this cute little surprise gift. Oh my god, the light is blinding it. It's this cute little keychain with like a Hello Kitty. Maybe if I turn it off. Hello Kitty. And it has like a little keychain to it. There's nothing on the back. Literally, I don't know, but look at this. This is cute. I mean, it's not that bad, considering that this is literally $5. But I think it's worth it. Look at it. It's so cute. So this is going up to the side, our little pile. But I did want to do this eventually on stream. The next thing I got myself was this Hello Kitty and milk carton. I think this is so cute. I'm not taking it out of the box because why would I? But this is just so cute. It's literally Hello Kitty and a little milk carton with her face on it. I got this little sign. I want to put it somewhere eventually, but it says enjoy the little things, and I think that's just so adorable. And then I got these two squishies. This one's Hello Kitty, and then we got a Choco Cat over here. They're both ice cream. She's like strawberry, and then this one's like a chocolate, chocolate. I just thought these were cute, and they're slow rise foam squishies. I wish they could be like turned into keychains. Maybe you could do it, but like I don't know how to do it. So yeah. I also got these like BFF sets. This one's like a bracelet, and it has like Karopi, Hello Kitty, and Bats Maru, and then the second one has Choco Cat, My Melody, and I forget the yellow one's name, but he's very adorable as well. I believe his name is Pom Pom Purin. And then for this BFF set, it has the same characters on it, and it has like a little, like they connect and it turns into like a little heart, and they both say like a BFF little charm on the side of it. And I think this is also very adorable. Another thing I got myself was these TokiDoki like mystery thingies. I think these are so cute, but usually I get the unicorn ones. I have maybe 3 of those, and I just wanted to add more to my collection. But these are bears, so this one's like a pink bear, this one's a blue bear, but inside they have like different bears. So this one's the TokiDoki Lumi and her very cute friends. And I'll show this on the screen, hopefully. But it has all the different bears that could possibly be inside of this. I'm personally hoping for either like Stormy, Berry, Cherry, or Rosie. But we're just gonna go ahead and open these. So I guess it's just a plastic. Oh my god. Very easy to take out, and then there's this pamphlet. I guess I can close it and you can just reuse this, I guess. The jar, you can just reuse it. It's really cute. I think you could fill it with like sand or something. And then it's the same thing. So this is just like a little pamphlet of like the things you can choose, and then it has like a note from the artist herself. But so the bag is gold. Where is my little cute knife? I'm just gonna make a little hole. Oh my goodness. Oh, this sounds super cute. Okay, so I believe this one is so, oh my god, this one's so cute. These are actually pretty big. I would say they're probably as tall as the unicorn ones. And his head, their head is like huge. And it's like pearly, has like this pearly, oh my goodness. He's so cute. He or she. And I got Harmony, which is a chaser. Not sure what that means, but very adorable. And then we have the blue one. Twisting it open. Kind of glad I got 2 different colored ones instead of like the same ones. Setting that to the side. I'm just gonna rip this open. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I believe we did get seasons. Yeah, we got seasons. Okay, this one's so cute because like she has boots and then she's wearing like a fall little, like this is just adorable. She's literally seasons, has like the sun as an ear, and then like a lily pad, I believe, on her other ear. But hopefully I do like a zoom in and like little panoramic, whatever, for these bears because they're so adorable. And she's also gonna get trapped in her box, so hopefully nothing bad will happen. So this is pretty much everything I got for myself, I guess, for this Christmas season. I'm gonna set this to the side, but all of these were things I got for myself because I like Hello Kitty personally, and I was like, well, I'm just gonna buy these since I saw them. Anyways, we're gonna continue. This is something I received this year for Christmas. I have been wanting these for so long. I don't even know how they feel like. So I'm just gonna open it and just test them out because, yes. So it comes with 5 brushes. I'll be honest, I don't know that much about brushes. I just know that I try to use them when I'm doing my makeup. But this one's so cute. It has like a little star right here, and then it has Hello Kitty, and then it says Korean. It feels so soft. Oh my goodness. This one has My Melody. This is also soft. I feel like I don't really know. So I guess one is a precise shader, blending brush, angle detailer, blush brush, powder brush. So this one's for blush, a powder brush. This one is the angled detailer with pom-pom purring on it. The Karopi is a blending brush, and then the cinema roll brush is a precise shader. And even if I don't end up using them, like I'm still gonna have them like in my like little cups that I use for brushes, just because they're so adorable. Alright, and then next up we have the Cream Shack and Hello Kitty bag that I received this year as a gift. This is like the cutest thing ever. I have been seeing these like literally in my one of my like where I went to, I don't remember where I went to, but I saw these and I wanted one, but I was like, it's okay, like I just won't get one. Like this is so adorable with the little bedazzled bow detailing. And then I also received Hello Kitty Soul Sock infused cozy socks, and she's like on the front of them, like with a little bow. Like, these are just too cute. And then I also got a Ready Set Go sheet mask, very cute as well. And then I got BTS, I believe BTS and Hello Kitty moisturizing macaron lip balm duo. I also think this is so cute. This one's strawberry tinted, and then this one applies clear, but I kind of want to try the strawberry tinted eventually. I don't know that much about BT. I don't even know if this is BTS, but I'm just hoping for the best. But these are lip balms. And then this is literally something I had wanted from Ulta that I also got as a gift, which is the Pixie and Hello Kitty. Like this one's a makeup fixing mix, which I don't know anything about. All odor setting mist prolongs makeup wear and keeps it from moving, melting, or setting into fine lines and pores. Comforts, preserves, increases hydration, and balances skin for a fresh face. So this is a setting spray. Why do you say makeup fixing mix? This is so cute though. It literally has her head on it. And it's sealed. I don't want to open it yet because I do technically have like a makeup setting spray. But I will keep this in the bag. Currently, these things in the bag just because like I don't want to lose them. But all of this is gonna go right here. And then one of the best things I got this year was this Impressions vanity company for Hello Kitty. I have been seeing this like everywhere, and I wanted one so bad. But it's a compact mirror that lights up, and it's in the shape of Hello Kitty. This is like literally the best thing, because I have a mirror that lights up, but like this is just like over the top. So the batteries go in the back, but it came with them, I guess. And then it's literally in the shape of her face. You open it, and then I feel like I might blind you guys, but like you press the middle, and it's literally the light that lights up. And then this is like a 2x mirror. So you just, like, it is so cute. This is like the cutest thing ever. And it's touchscreen, like a little punch. And it's so adorable. This is something I don't even know like where I'm gonna put it. I want to put it in my bag, but like I feel like I don't need it in my bag. But at the same time I do, because I do keep a light up mirror in my bag. So I'm still determining where to put it because it feels like one of those things that is a daily necessity because I always tend to look at my face just to see if there's anything like on my face. But this is like one of the best things ever that I got. And then for the final reveal, I got this for Christmas. Not for myself, this is a gift, but this is like literally the best thing that I needed this year. Because my headset is so like crusty and just like, it is so like, my headset works, but like, she is, you know, wear wise is tear and wear. She has had a long, like, I believe like 4 years. My first headset, which is also a Razer headset, and it's like quartz, but it's pink, they call it quartz. This is like literally the best thing ever. It's the Razer Kraken Kitty edition Razer Chroma USB gaming headset. So it's stream responsive, and this is literally the best thing because it lights up and everything. It's just so cute, and I have been wanting to do like IRL stream, but like literally what was stopping me was my headset and just feeling like because my headset literally, I think the Razer headsets come with like a, well, mine specifically, I remember it saying it had like a gel cooling thing in the foam or like the earmuffs. And so literally this past year, because I've been wearing it for so long, it literally like, I guess the gel packet inside of it literally opened, and it's been literally just like seeping out through the earmuff. And I'm just like, okay. And I literally wear my hoodie over my like hair, and then the headset over my hoodie, which is so funny to me, but like this is literally the best gift ever this year. I'm so grateful for this one because it's like so cute. Like it literally has the ears on it instead of like me having to wear the, because I think I bought the ears for the other headset, but like it would kind of like pinch or hurt my head since they were like just like being like attachments instead of like being put on the headset like this. Like this is like literally on the headset, and this is the cutest thing ever. This is everything I got for Christmas this year, and I am so grateful. Like these things are just so cute, and I am so grateful for everyone who bought me a gift this year. There's people who still bought me gifts, and like I still haven't seen them since before Christmas, so that's fun. But I hope everyone got something that they wanted this year, at least one thing. But this is everything I got for Christmas this year, and I'm so grateful for every single thing that's here. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.